Today we're going to have a look at the portable tyre changing unit called the Tyre Halo. Now the guys down at Tyre Halo have sent me one of their portable tyre changing units with the ultimate accessory bundle. So let me tell you what you get in the package first. So what comes in the box is everything that you need to assemble the tyre changing stand to your tow bar of your car. Tyre Halo also has accessories like long tyre levers, bead buddies, tyre spoons and valve core removers. Or you can get the ultimate bundle which has everything in it. It's great value and that's what I have. Installing the Tyre Halo is very easy to do. First, remove the tow bar and slide the receiver hitch insert into your vehicle's 50mm receiver hitch. Second, if your vehicle has one, tighten the hinge's anti-wobble bolt. You can also insert the vehicle's hinge pin, although this is only necessary if the vehicle does not have an anti-wobble bolt. I didn't have an anti-wobble bolt, so I just installed the vehicle's hinge pin. Third, install the height adjustable arm into the receiver hinge insert. Align the holes to the desired height and slide in the height adjuster pin. 4. Install and tighten the bolt into the receiver hitch insert. This creates a solid base for you to change your tyre. 5. Insert the spindle through the hub mounting disc and the height adjuster arm. Tighten the bolt on the spindle and slide the plastic hub protector over the spindle. And then all you have to do is slide your wheel over the spindle and be ready to change the tyre. So what's my thoughts on it? Well, I think it's a great product. It comes in a great package that makes it easy to disassemble and put back together and easy to transport around. This is something that if you're a racer, I think it's a must-have. If you want to go racing and change tyres at the track, it's a very easy setup. It's great for changing tyres, makes changing tyres very, very easy. It is a system that makes it easy on you to change tyres. It's also great for if you want to change your tyres at home as well. If you don't have a tyre changing stand, then this is a great alternative and it's a 2-in-1. You can take it away and you can also use it at home. I think the ultimate bundle at the moment is discounted and it is great value for money. So if you're in the market for a tyre changer or if you're a racer, definitely have a look at this new Tyre Halo. It's an Australian design and it makes changing tyres that much easier at the track or at home.